So guys, now let's take a look at what you are going to be expecting for the day on our odd US dollar, right? Let's see what odd USD is actually going to be giving us for the day. But before we go ahead to predict what market will be doing for the day, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now, this is our movement right here on our odd USD, right? Take a look at the trend on our odd USD. It is very clear that odd USD in our current trend, it is trending downward, but the overall trend is still to the upside, right? The overall movement, the full bigger picture, the full bigger movement on our odd USD is still to the upside. So market is still indicating a movement to the upside, right? But right now, market is just dropping. This is just a minor trend, right? But since we want to predict what market will be doing for the day, our next movement should be that market should push up. Why? It is very simple. This is our main trend. We are in an uptrend move. Now let's start from here for quick analysis. This is your higher high. Here comes the higher low. This is the higher high and here comes the higher low. Market then push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? This is our higher low the market did give us. Now this is a push up that did form a new higher high. Here, that where markets drop to form an equal higher low right here. This is an equal higher low that market has given us. So with such movements, right, we should be expecting market to push up next. So we should expect market to push up next to take out this high, thereby completely giving us a new higher high. So what we're trying to say is that a bullish move to the upside is what we should be expecting on our odd USD. So odd USD should give us a bullish move to the upside. Now the thing is that could there be changes to this prediction that we just did? Absolutely yes, there could be changes. If there's going to be any changes to this prediction that we just did, I'll make sure I do the update and let you guys to know about the changes. But when you go to your forward time frame, remember guys, only going for the buy once you see your buy settle. Do not just hop in for the buy, only take the buy once you get your buy settle. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So subscribe in order for you to miss out on the updates.